In the grand and colorful tapestry of nature, hidden secrets await discovery. One such secret involves the story of butternut squash, a plant deeply entwined with human history since ancient civilizations. But what makes this plant so special? And how does it relate to the secret of longevity and prolonged life? Welcome back to the Wiki Plant channel, where every video embarks on a fresh and exciting journey into the plant world around us. Join me as we embark on this journey to unfold the pages of history, science, and nature itself, discovering the connection between butternut squash and the secrets of health and longevity. This is not just a voyage through time and space but also a discovery of oneself and the natural world around us. Before we begin, don't forget to hit subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss any of our videos. And if you're as curious about the plant world as we are, please leave your comments below this video. Butternut squash, a treasure of nature. Butternut squash, one of the precious gifts from nature, with its pear-shaped, light orange skin, and vibrant orange flesh, is not just a nutritious food source but also a symbol of fertility and vitality. But what makes this squash so special? And how is it connected to concepts of health and longevity? Butternut squash is not just a highly nutritious food rich in vitamins A, C, and E but also contains powerful antioxidants that fight aging and disease. Over thousands of years, this squash has become an indispensable part of human diet, connecting us to the past and paving new paths for the future of health and nutrition. Butternut squash in ancient civilizations. When we think of ancient civilizations, we imagine grand architectural feats, undeciphered mysteries, and unique dietary habits. Among them, butternut squash played a significant role. From ancient Egypt to the land of the Maya, butternut squash was not just a valuable food source but also part of religious rituals and culture. But how did this squash find its place among these civilizations, and what lessons can we learn from them? Throughout history, butternut squash has been more than just a plentiful food source but also a symbol of abundance and prosperity. Each civilization contributed to a unique story of butternut squash, from cultivation to culinary practices and culture. These stories not only help us understand the past but also inspire the preservation and promotion of butternut squash's value in the present and future. In today's world, where science and technology advance rapidly, we have the opportunity to delve deeper into the benefits of butternut squash for human health. Scientific research has shown that with its high content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, butternut squash is not just part of a balanced diet but also key to a long and healthy life. So, what is the scientific basis behind these benefits? Regarding health and longevity, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. However, incorporating butternut squash into your diet is a simple step you can take to harness the benefits that nature offers. Through research and application, butternut squash becomes not just part of culinary tradition but also vital in maintaining a healthy, happy life. In the context of modern challenges such as environmental issues and climate change, preserving butternut squash and agricultural biodiversity is more important than ever. Butternut squash is not just a nutritious food but also a crucial part of cultural heritage and biodiversity. Conservation projects ensure this plant not only exists for the current generation but also thrives sustainably for the future. By preserving butternut squash and respecting its valuable genetics, we ensure a sustainable food source for the future while preserving a part of cultural heritage and biodiversity. Every action, no matter how small, contributes to a future where butternut squash and other plant species can continue to grow robustly, contributing to humanity's health and prosperity. As we conclude our exploration of butternut squash, one thing becomes clear. We all play a role and responsibility in protecting and nurturing this valuable plant. Butternut squash is not just a nutritious food source but also part of the natural and cultural heritage we share. It's time to act, not just for ourselves but for future generations. We can start with small actions: planting a butternut squash in our garden, supporting local produce, participating in conservation projects, or simply sharing the story of this food's value with others. Every action, however small, contributes to significant change. Let's create a future where butternut squash and agricultural biodiversity are cherished and protected. Thank you for spending time with me on this discovery journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave your comments, and share this video with friends and family to spread the message. Goodbye and see you on the next exciting exploration journey.